The experience of Mitsubishi is much more than just a product. It's the whole experience outside of that. We make a line of heating and cooling systems, but aside from that, it's the service and it's the support that we offer to our customers, both on the front end from a design and pre-installation support standpoint, all the way through when the product is installed in the field, the service behind it, and ultimately the end of life of that product. It's one experience from one company that's so much more than just the product that we sell. Quality is everything for Mitsubishi Electric. They've been around as a manufacturer since the 1920s. They follow the Japanese principles of quality and manufacturing. It's not just a guy who's turning a wrench on a final bolt on a condensing unit. That's somebody's hard work. And they really do take an immense amount of pride in that work.
Our quality is famous. The word Mitsubishi Electric across the globe is known for its quality. Historically, we sold products that were designed for Europe and Asia and the United States. Now we're bringing products to the United States that are specifically for the U.S. market. For instance, we partnered with other manufacturers to roll out the dedicated outside air systems, the multi-position units, and whole house controls.
Our company was really ahead of the curve when it came to trends in home comfort. Consumers were looking for a way to customize their comfort within each room of their home. If you were to turn on the water faucet in the kitchen, and it comes on everywhere else in your house, that's what you get with a centralized air conditioning system. Our products allow you to turn one room on, one room off. You can basically save energy and save money by not using the system within that room.
Flexibility, personalized comfort, and energy efficiency are the cornerstones of our business. The way our technology is designed, the ability to provide that personalized comfort is unique in this marketplace when compared to other conventional HVAC technologies. We are always striving to give comfort control to occupants of buildings, occupants of homes, and ultimately make them as happy as they can be in their environment. The greatest impact for Mitsubishi Electric as a company is to change the way people design buildings when it comes to their mechanical systems. Today, you've got someone that goes out and designs a building and buys their air conditioning system from one place, their outside air system from another, their control system from another, and their service and integration from yet another company. Mitsubishi's striving to put all those together, create a whole building solution that's out there for a customer, for an engineer, for an architect.
We are leading a revolution in the way that our systems are applied. And people listen to that because we're catching their ear on saving money, we're catching their ear on comfort, and we're catching their ear on new technology. The innovation of the products are really incredible. Our engineers have figured out ways to use refrigerant intelligently. And that really starts with the inverter-driven compressor, because having that in the system requires a tremendous balance of the flow of the refrigerant. When you look at the fact that the engineers figured out a way how to heat and cool at the same time from one outdoor unit, that's really a technological breakthrough in the industry.
Well, the best part is that we can simultaneously heat and cool. Once that hot refrigerant goes to the space it needs to heat, it's gonna come back cold. And when I send the cold refrigerant to the space that needs cooling, it's gonna come back hot. And I can use my rejected refrigerant from both of those to help supplement the other side. Not to mention, we also have a compressor that instead of turning on and off, it modulates. It goes all the way down to 4% and up to 100, and it does only the amount of work necessary that the inside is calling for. Every time something starts and stops in a mechanical device, you are shortening the life of it. And that's what happens with traditional compressors, where the inverter-driven compressor is designed to last a lifetime because we would rather run it low than turn it on and off and shorten its life.
And we've upset the status quo with technologies that have forced new innovations. I don't think there's another company in this industry that can claim the amount of innovation and the amount of changes that we've ushered.
When you buy a product from Mitsubishi, you're getting the best. You're gonna get the best contractors, the best distributors, and the full line of support capabilities, whether it's technical service training, operations, logistics, marketing, engineering, sales. We have an incredible support backbone for our product.
We have a 360-degree view of our business, distributors, contractors, building owners, architects, engineers, and others. Marketing, service, innovative, high-quality products, other things we do to bring a holistic approach to how we conduct business together is a big deal here. It's not just one thing, it's everything.
We have a fantastic group of individuals that go out of their way to make sure that the customers are satisfied. No matter what department that you're in, no matter what individual that you speak to, we all work towards excellence in the product and supporting the product. We follow up with individuals. We consider ourselves a family within a family. So we reach out to individuals that need help. If there's any issue that comes up and then maybe an employee may say, you know what, I think maybe we can give them a little bit more help. We'll call back out to them and do that. We use our talents as caring about the individuals, because that is the most important thing in customer care. You know, metrics are great, but do you care about what you're doing? Anybody can answer the phones, but do you care about who's calling on the other end? And I think that's the difference. Those are the talents that we bring to the table.
Mitsubishi's greatest strength, it's its people. Without its people, we are nothing. Whether it's with our marketing, whether it's with our customer service, every part of our organization, every team member plays a great part. They care about their work, they care about one another, and they care about where the company is going. It's really a collaborative process, making sure that we all succeed so that the company can succeed.
I'm able to collaborate with other departments, people from the factory, from engineering, from marketing, from sales, even from different departments, from different business units. And that collaboration really helps us to deliver what the customer needs. It's really about having an open dialogue and communicating and being able to see what their needs are, because every country is different. And it's really rewarding to see end users come up and tell you stories of their air conditioners in their home and how it's helped improve their lives or save them money and energy. I look forward to that every year.
We receive calls from customers all over the world bragging about how well our systems work and how much they appreciate the fact that they're quiet as we promised. All the information that we promise, we deliver on. And that in our area defines the quality of our product.
It's interesting, you know, we service the entire country, but one of the greatest markets, and our first market with City Multi, is Savannah, Georgia. It is referred to often as a big, small city. Savannah is a destination for people from Georgia, Florida, and the whole country. But it's hot in Savannah, and it's also humid, and Mitsubishi really gives us the ability to provide these comfortable spaces where children can learn better, people can be more comfortable on Sunday morning at church, and we're taking care of people, making sure they're comfortable, but also while doing all the other things that we worry about during the construction process.
We've done design for renovation of a lot of the historic buildings in Savannah. And there just isn't any place for a duct system in many of the buildings. So we found out very quickly that we could use Mitsubishi variable refrigerant systems instead of ductwork to solve those problems. The result was something that was much more energy efficient, much quieter, much better looking. You know, it really, really worked well in that application.
The problems that we have are constant high humidity along the coastal region, and Mitsubishi, by virtue of the variable fan speeds and variable refrigerant flow, manages to handle the humidity very, very well. Working with the equipment has opened up a whole new opportunity for us in the engineering world. We've had the opportunity to install the systems in a variety of buildings, everything from very upscale residential, motels, banks, and with good representatives as we have from Mitsubishi, it makes the job very easy to put together. It's been fun. At the end of the day, it's hard to put the pencil down and go home.
We have a group of people that's here as a company that really wants the best for our customers, and they're constantly pushing you and working to make you strive for greatness. As the market grows, product offerings are going to need to grow, and the solutions that we're going to need to deliver to the marketplace will grow correspondingly. And I'm happy to be a part of that. I'm excited to see what the future brings here at Mitsubishi Electric.
What I enjoy doing is getting up in the morning, knowing that I'm coming to Mitsubishi and that I have an opportunity to make a positive change in someone's life.
Not only am I helping change an industry, but I'm also helping people live more comfortably within their homes. And we have a culture we've built of people who believe in that and will make it happen.
You know, I've got a great bunch of guys working with me, and I know I have that support behind me. And knowing that they're helping the company and also helping our customers, those people we work with, to do their jobs better or to be more comfortable where they live. So, I mean, you gotta love a job like that.
I love what I do. I really enjoy going out and meeting people and then teaming with my distributor to put together a product that I know customers will thank me for later. We don't just have a working relationship, but we're friends, and I have a lot of clients that are like that.
I know that they have the same interest in mind that I have, and that is to walk away with a satisfied client, to have every bit of confidence in the world that that is true.
I think Mitsubishi Electric can change lives one household at a time, one company at a time, one business at a time. They care about the individual, they care about their employees, and they care about the community. And what's more important than investing in someone that cares? It's like family. We're already leading the pack. We just have to make sure everybody understands why.